Introducing the impressive 2023 Ford Kuga ST-Line Edition. With only 14,001 miles on the clock, this SUV boasts a powerful 2.5-litre petrol hybrid engine and automatic transmission. Packed with comfort and safety features like adjustable seats, cruise control, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, this vehicle is perfect for any journey. The sleek design includes roof rails, privacy glass, and a spoiler for added style. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and manufacturer specification servicing, you can trust in its quality. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us or visit hillsford.co.uk for more information.